I showed you how to do combinations and permutations using the calculators in class, where you just go to math, you scroll over to PRB, and then you choose the permutations or the combinations, the C or the P. Unfortunately, several of you didn't get finished today. So with that being said, we need to be able to do them at home. So let's look at number 8, for instance. It says there are 14 candy bars for sale. How many ways can Andy choose 5 of them? So it doesn't matter if he chooses a Three Musketeers first or a Reese's Cup first. So order doesn't matter. So we know that this is a combination. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my calculator. Now, I had to search for it the first time. So if you do have to search for the calculator, if you just start typing in calculator, it will bring it up. We want the green one, the one that is your Chromebook calculator. Now I'm going to need to expand it. So I'm going to expand it out. And what that's going to allow me to do is do the combinations and permutations. If you look, they're over here in this little corner. So we said that this was a combination. So there are 14 candy bars. Order didn't matter, so it's a combination. And we are choosing 5 of them. Push enter, and that does tell me the answer. So there are 2,002 options for number 8. Let's try this one more time to make sure that we've got this down. So let's look at what's another hard one? Let's look at 18. So let's look at 18. So on number 18, it says, Rob is one of 7 children in his family. How many ways can his parents choose 4 siblings to do chores? So it doesn't matter if I say that Bobby has to do the toilets first or Sally has to clean the sink first. So order doesn't matter. We know we have 7 children and we're choosing 4 to do chores. So that is going to be your combination. So we've got 7 combination. And we're choosing 4 of them. Push enter, and that does give me the answer of 35, which is the answer for number 18. I did find that number 11 was difficult, so I do want to at least talk about that one. So number 11, if I get up to number 11. Sorry, my Chromebook skills aren't awesome. So number 11 says Justin took a quiz with 5 multiple choice, A through D, and 5 true false. How many different ways can he answer the questions? So again, I'm going to pull up my calculator. Now, this one is not like telling you you've got this many options, choose 4. This is a counting principle problem. So we've got 5 questions where we have A through D. So that means I have 4 options times 4 options times 4 options times 4 options times 4 options. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I've got 5 true false questions. So I'm going to do 2 5 times. So times 2 times 2. There's 3, 4, 5. So that is the answer for number 11. So it was 5 questions where 4 answers were possible. So 4 times 4, 5 times. And then I had 5 questions where there were 2 answers possible. So that's 2 times 2, 5 times. And so when I put all that together, we get 32,768. I think that should get you going now that you can use the Chromebook. If it did have order mattered, so let's say number 14. Let's do one that's a P, so I know I've covered both of them. So number 14 here says, Brianna's school day consists of 6 classes. How many different ways can her schedule be arranged? So on that one, we're just going to do 6P6. So that was like the one in the notes. So we're going to do 6, and then we're going to choose the P option this time, and then 6. And that gives me the answer for number 14. I do want you to eliminate 15 completely from your paper. So do not do 15 at all. And that should pretty much cover what I needed to talk about.